Welcome back to another video. Today we have the hack is live, guys. The Ryobi hack is officially live at the HomeDepot.com. I went ahead and ordered myself some tools here for the channel so we can do two reviews and do the unboxing and everything, all the 9 yards. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more YouTube review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform by subscribers and likes. I'll leave the link down below to the battery deal here, so I'll leave it down below in the description section of this video. We got $99. You buy pretty much a 4 amp hour a charger for $99, and you get yourself a free tool. So you go down here. It works if you guys want to do the the ship to online and the store, cut the deal in half and then cancel the online. Feel free to do that. It's up to you. If that's the way, if that's what you want to do. So you go down here to the free gift with purchase. So you can select the, right now, I would definitely get it now because these deals are going to be sold out. Most of these tools are going to be sold out and they're not going to be available anymore. So I would definitely jump on it as SAP as soon as possible. 150 watt power inverter, $59.99, $59.97. Those are the tools you guys could choose for free with this deal. You got the 18 volt cordless half an inch hammer drill driver with handle, $59. This is a brushed unit, just to let you know it is a brushed unit. You got the 4.5 angle grinder tool, only $44.97. You got the cordless 5-inch random orbit sander tool, only $44.97. You got this, I do have this jigsaw, it's really nice. You got the 18 volt 1 plus orbital jigsaw tool, only $69. You got the, what is this, the pressure inflator digital gauge, $24.97. You got the 200 CFM volt cordless leaf blower, 90 mile per hour, $59.90. This is for a small apartment, just to let you know, a small yard. It's nothing really powerful, basically. And then you got the compact area light here for $49.97. It's pack of 2. We did see this at the Ryobi when they released their tools. Got the 18 volt cordless compact Bluetooth speaker, $29.97. You got the cordless precision rotary tool only $44.97. You got the high performance lithium 2 amp hour compact battery, $69. You got, this is the better, these two are the better deals to get with this battery because you're getting more for your money. You're getting more for the $99. You got the, I do have this one, works really good. It's a little heavy, but it works really good. There's a 22-inch 18 volt cordless battery edge trimmer, $99. You got the chainsaw here. I'm probably gonna order myself the chainsaw. Got the pruning chainsaw, 18 volts. It is an 8-inch, so just to let you know, it's a handheld. Basically, it's a top handle. $89.97. You got the multi-tool, $59. You got the 1/4 inch impact driver. This is a brushed unit. Still a nice unit for the DIY, $59. You got the circ saw here, which these two are already sold out, by the way. If you guys don't know, they already sold out. So you got the circ saw here. They might be putting back in stock, or you might see them at the store. So I would definitely jump on this. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And let me just check, before I let you guys go, let me just check on the cart. Show you guys what's going on with these prices. These prices are separated, so you guys could hack them. You guys could keep the tool, return the batteries, or keep the batteries, return the tool, whatever you guys want to do. You could, as you guys see here, $47.13 for the chainsaw. And for the batteries, $51.87. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, and we'll see you guys on the next